Hello and welcome. I am Trish and this is Trish Talks. Today we're going to be talking about cleaning and decorating my deck using many of my Amazon finds. And let me just say that this deck is going to truly benefit from all of my quarantine Amazon shopping, so this is going to be fun. Let's get started. First thing we did was got rid of our old teak table. Once we did that, it was clear we needed to clean and stain the deck. We had replaced some of the old floorboards last year, so it was the perfect time to stain this deck. First, we washed down the deck. My daughter had fun doing that. Next, we ran to Lowe's and picked up their Deck Correct stain and painting supplies. Our deck is 10 by 30, so my husband and I painted out the rails the first day and came back the next day to do the floorboards. I did the edging and my husband rolled out the main part of the deck. We let the deck dry for a few days and did some touch-ups here and there. It was clear we needed 2 coats on everything, so we ended up using 5 gallons of stain. Next, it was time to roll out my area rugs. I selected this pattern because it was bold and could stand out against the vast colors outdoors. I wanted the design to look bold and intentional. I found these 100% recycled area rugs on Amazon. They are made from recycled plastic straws. I thought that was so cool, and their patterns were just right. So I purchased 3 of them so they could cover the full length of the deck. Next, we set up the tables. I was looking for one long table that could seat 8 to 10 people because of the length of my deck. So avoiding wood tables altogether, bad experience in the past with wood. I did find a metal table that I loved, but it was just over $3,000. And I could not bring myself to spend that kind of money during these uncertain times. So I opted for 3 smaller tables. Buying them this way gave me the same length and seating capacity I was looking for, but at half the cost. I got these tables off of Amazon. They came in 2 separate boxes, so we had to put the tables and chairs together, but it was really simple. As an added bonus, once I placed the 8 chairs around the table, I had 4 chairs left over, which allowed me to create a second seating area. I found this 15-foot umbrella on Amazon that I instantly fell in love with. Since I have a long deck, I'm always looking for a wide umbrella that covers a large part of this deck. A minor problem with this umbrella was that the pole was too large to fit in the hole of the patio table. But I decided to get it anyway and just set the umbrella off center. And it actually turned out great. The umbrella is so large that it still covers everything. With that said, I did want to soften the look of the support ribs of the umbrella, so I added greenery. There are simple artificial vines I found on Amazon. They definitely do the trick. Next, we wanted to add deck lights. Here's my trick for getting these up quickly. I stuck erasers in the holes, colored them with black marker, pressed them against the wood where I wanted them, and the 2 drill marks were right there. I drilled pilot holes, added screws, and hung my solar lights. And then I was on to the next one. These deck lights will now give me the nightlife, socializing look I was after. Not to mention, it will help people safely maneuver around the deck when it's dark outside. Before we move to the second seating area, if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. And just so you know, in the next few videos, I'll be refreshing our patio area, showing you how I use IKEA to decorate our basement, and cleaning and decorating throughout the summer. As I mentioned earlier, we had 4 chairs left over, which allowed me to create a second seating area. So I placed the chairs on the shadier side of the deck. I love plants, so this gave me an opportunity to cluster some of my favorite plants together in the corner and try to achieve that tropical feel. I also purchased some pillowcases and a throw off of Amazon to tie all of the colors together and to make the space feel cozy and comfortable. I finished the space off with some decorative tables for people to place their drinks on and for me to show off a few decorative elements. Now I'm heading back to the tables to complete my table setting. First, I need to lay out my table runners. I purchased these off of Amazon. I like to layer my table settings when I can, so I use this burlap table runner on the bottom and then a smaller burlap two-tone runner on the top. Next, I'm putting down these natural jute braided placemats, also from Amazon. They coordinate with the table runners and are the base for my blue plates. When we renovated our kitchen, I purchased all white plates and packed these blue plates away. I am so happy now that I kept them. They fit right in nicely with this decor. If you haven't seen my newly renovated kitchen, please check out my clean and decorate video that features my kitchen and living room renovation. See the card above or click on the link below in the description box. Finally, to the table, I'll add some decorative candles, some greenery, and something to snack on. Well, that's it. We cleaned, stained, and decorated this deck, and now it looks like somewhere we want to hang out all summer long. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you got some cleaning and decorating inspiration from today's video. Again, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and leave a comment below. And I will see you next time.